Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to thread your machine properly, especially for the newbies that will be using YouTube to learn how to sew, how to paddle, how to thread their thread on their machine before sewing. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do that the proper way. So if this is what you are interested on, please stay tuned. So the first thing that you're going to do is to take your thread, and then if you know that the edges of your thread is not straight, so you have to take a scissor and cut it out. As you can see how I did it, you saw how I did it. I cut it out because it was not straight, and then you go ahead and thread it. You can see how I wind it. I wind it to the machine, and then I go again. From there I turn it to the other side. Look at where I put it, and then after that I put it on this thread holder, and then I will now go ahead and wheel my machine hand to myself. You can see I did not wheel it to the left side. I wheel it to myself just to jack this thread holder up. And then I put in there. As you can see, it's not hard, so you just have to follow what I am doing so that you can get it. So now it's time to put it in the needle. Like I'll pass it through the needle hole to the other end. So I'm so sorry, the needle is not really showing, but you put it through the needle hole, and then from there you go ahead and thread your thread on this shuttle. You see that I've already done mine. I've already threaded on the bobbin. So you go ahead and put it inside the shuttle cover, or the bobbin cover, anyhow you call it. So now if you check the cover very well, you see how you can actually pass your thread through, and that is what I'm doing. So I make sure I pass it through, because if you not put it well, it will not sew. It will be cutting your thread, or it will be going left or right. So now it's time to now open this your shuttle part, and then what you have to do, you cannot put your hand directly from that side, so you have to put it from under your machine. Then you bring out your hand, so, and then you check it very well, and then you fix it. As you're fixing it, you see a hold that you can, when you fix it, your machine, like the shuttle will enter very well, and you know that it is properly fixed. Even you yourself, you know that it is properly fixed when you fix it well. As you can see, I'm done fixing it. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to bring out the thread under the one that I just put under there. So I'll have to bring it out. So what I will do, I'll wheel the machine hand to myself first. When I wheel it to myself, it will bring out the thread that is under. You can see this is how to thread your machine properly before you start sewing. This is what you do. As you can see, I am done, and I can start sewing from here. Thank you so much for watching, and please do well to subscribe and comment. Follow us for more videos like this, and more sewing tips and how to sew. Thank you for watching. Bye.